Hey, what's going on, guys? Sways here. Episode 4, episode 5 of the rebuild series here today, team. So, today is Monday, June, I think the 16th. Yeah, 16th of June today. Yeah, June 16th. And this week for me is just about building the amount of steps I do up each day. So right now, currently done my longest walk post-surgery. We've nearly finished up here. Done so far 1.17 kilometers, and I've had about 3 breaks during the walk, just sitting at like park stop benches, etc. Playing a bit of Pokemon Go, help get back into the walking. Bit of fun. So yeah, that's not going too bad so far. Tomorrow, objective Tuesday being, I'm going to go to the pool, spa and hydrotherapy. So today's just about getting those steps up. Tomorrow I'm going to do that. And then in tomorrow's clip too, you're going to see me making a meal. Currently I'm not dieting or anything right now, but I'm only having like fucking 2 meals per day. I'm going to make this beef stroganoff tomorrow, my nana's recipe. So I'm going to give it a nudge. Never made it before, so it should be intriguing. Also want to make some Afghan biscuits too, so I might do that tomorrow, Wednesday. Don't think I can be fucked tonight. But yeah, nice cool day today, hardly any wind. A bit of a breeze, but pretty good indeed. So yeah, we'll see you guys and girls on the next clip. It's going good, team. Back at it again. Tuesday now, next day. Bit late right now, it's like 5 p.m. It's fucking freezing outside, but it's hard to get some steps in. Didn't end up going to the pool today. Gonna make that a thing tomorrow. So start that up tomorrow. It's one more day, get some more steps in, and then go from there. But yeah, so far today's been pretty good. Slept fucking late again, woke up at 1 p.m. That pregabalin will fucking get you, mate. So did that, done a bit of cleaning, etc. I'm going to make that food tomorrow. Can't be fucked now tonight. So yeah, that's that. Only thing that sucks now, so it's only like my 3rd, 4th day of doing like a decent amount of steps for me. Already getting shin splints, I can feel it. Hopefully the pool tomorrow will help that out a bit. I have had shin splints in the past, but hopefully it's not a major thing and it's just my body's not used to all these steps, etc. So we'll go from there. But yeah, that's a little update for this Tuesday. It's fucking freezing. Gonna do some, what do you call it? Gonna do some, I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying. I don't know. Do some shit when I get home, chill out for the night. Yeah, pretty boring at the moment, but it is what it is. Choo-choo. Yo, what's good, team? Wednesday, 18th of June, and it's the day that the Queensland Maroons are going to give New South Wales a fucking hiding. Probably not, but fingers crossed. Yeah, got to go in the pool now. First time post-surgery. Just going to do a spa, then hopefully the hydrotherapy pool's P. It says on the website it should be. It's going in for a 20 bit. And just walk around, and then we'll see how the body feels. So I'll check back in after. Choo-choo. It's good, team. Just got back from the pool, and yeah, it was a pretty good session. Ended up going in the spa pool for 20 minutes. And that was all good. Just doing my thing in there. Did a few like sort of stretching movements and actually felt alright. And then I went in the hydrotherapy pool for about 15 minutes and just doing some things in there, just seeing how the body reacts. Definitely the body is still heaps fragile. How could I explain it? So like doing certain movements, I'd get like that shocking pain sort of in my back stomach area, but at the same time still felt good doing the movements I was doing. So it's just timing it and everything really. So I was just getting a feel for it, seeing what I can and cannot do. Got the physio tomorrow, so I'll let him know all that information and then get some proper shit to start doing. But other than that, nothing's going too bad so far. Just keeping chilling, getting my steps up. got that pool session, and hopefully tomorrow I got some exercises to do, which I'll be able to record for you all. So yeah, not too bad, eh? We've got sheep in our yard and they're just fucked off now, team. What the fuck? Yeah, what's good everyone? Swayz here. It is Monday, the following week from my last clip. And currently right now, just outside in the evening, getting some steps in. The pain today is actually quite bad. I'm feeling a lot of the shocks in my leg, which is a little bit concerning. But that's what I mean. I've got to fucking just take it easy still. But just getting a few steps in to see if it loosens up and is a bit better. But yeah, we ended up going to the pool last week. Had physio, got massaged for like 5 minutes very lightly. And did a few movements, which is all good. And then I got physio again this week, Friday. The plan of attack is just to get some of these steps in today. And tomorrow we'll go to the pool again. And then try to do a few steps as well and just see where the body's at. Obviously, you need to go through a little bit of pain while rehabilitation. But yeah, so content's not the best right now, as you can see, but still want to get these videos out. But yeah, just those shocks are pretty annoying right now. Felt like it's a little bit worse now than last week. But I did decrease my medication a little bit. And then I've just noticed the pain increase as well. So I've just bumped it back up a bit to see if it improves from today. So yeah, also a few more days left and then I'm 6 months sober. And what's funny is the bet was for 6 months. But then when it ends, it's the 1st of July. So it's fucking 1st of July. I think someone wants a shout out seeing me recording right now. But yeah, dry July, so gotta go do that. I've got fans. But yeah, and then tomorrow, Swayz Fit should be able to pick it up. Hopefully it's all ready. Start shipping them away. So heaps of cool stuff happening at the moment, behind the scenes. Set up my own motorsport team too, Swayz Fit Motorsport, online virtual racing, things like that. Creating logos, graphics designs, and already starting to think of ideas for the next drop too. So that's a little update from me. I'll see you guys and girls in the next clip. Choo-choo. So it is now Tuesday today. I'm pretty much going to call this episode the good old walk and talk. Bit chilly outside once again. Another day getting steps in. Been to the spa pool as well. Couldn't do hydrotherapy today because it was closed because they had like an adult session thing on. It's a bit annoying. I might have to start getting my sleep routine in better order and start going earlier in the mornings, because it seems like throughout the day, all the way until like 3-4 p.m. it's closed off, unfortunately, which is pretty annoying. But it is what it is, because when I used to go 8 a.m, it would be a bit busy, but there was no classes. Like the first class would start at 10. So I'd say if I start going at 8:30 in the morning, it'd be the prime time. Because most of the older people should be outies by then, done their morning thing. And then the first class usually starts 10:30. And they'll probably arrive at, say, 9:30. So I think that's going to be the plan of attack moving forward. One thing I'm also going to start doing is going for baths in the morning. I'll touch on that subject in a second. Yeah, to start doing baths in the morning, I'm going to get some of that good bath salt. That's pretty mean as well. So it's going to start doing that as well, I believe. So just a few things. I've got physio again in a few days. I really would like to start like getting some light dumbbells. I'm talking like 5 kgs, and just seeing if I would be allowed to like sit down and just do a few curls, maybe some forearm exercises, some side lateral raises and shit, just to get a bit of movement going, but I'm probably already thinking way too far ahead. Like, I haven't even started doing proper rehab stuff. The only thing I can do really is like breathe in, breathe out, and go for these small walks in the pool. But yeah, I would really like to start doing some other things too, so I'll discuss that this week. But I do notice as soon as I start pushing myself a bit, the pain increases immensely. I was hoping by now I could do more, but it's just taking its time, and it is going to be a long process. Just got to keep staying positive. But hey, if it takes a couple more months before I can start doing some stuff, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, a bit of a walk and talk today. Plan of attack for this week, I'm going to finish off food-wise what I've got left in the fridge, smash all that out, and then the next shop I do, which will probably be on the weekend, I'm going to really dial in on my nutrition. And what I'll do is I'll do a full day of eating, and I'll record that for the next episode. So look forward to that. I did know during this video, I recorded that beef stroganoff thing I made, but I legit just smashed it all into the slow cooker. So yeah, did that. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're at the moment. Just going for these daily walks. Have a seat here and there on the walk on a park bench. That's the one. Yeah, nothing too exciting right now. Should be picking up my SwayzFit gears this week. Hopefully, fingers crossed, if I don't hear an email from today. I'm going to chuck one through tomorrow and just see when it should be available. But I can't see it being any later than this week. Been doing some designs too. There's going to be a little wee gift in each SwayzFit top jersey, whatever people brought. So they'll be in each thing as well. But yeah, other than that, everything else is going good. What do I get up to during the day at the moment? I basically just stream, graphic designing, editing, doing plans, and doing my rehabilitation at the moment. So yeah, that's going to do it from me. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Leave a like, leave a comment down below. I'll be uploading this on Wednesday. So, going to try to do a double upload this week. But until next time, Speed Sways here. Peace out and have a good day. See you on the next video.